Hi guys, I'm LPS Ashlin and welcome to this video. Recently, I've asked you, what do you want a English video? Most of you said yes, so here we are. Today it's going to be an unboxing. I've got two packages. In this one there are 5 LPSs and here is my main 5 Dreamy. So let's start with this one. I've picked this up today because it was at the post office and I ordered it to the box, but it was probably full or something. And guys, I don't like going to the post office. Once my mom, there was this woman who refused to give a parcel to my mom. The first LPS is a horse. And she's so beautiful, she has a bit trouble standing, but I don't know, maybe that's normal. This is actually my second horse. And I don't know, I just really like those white or grey horses that have green eyes. I don't know, I just love green eyes on LPSs, and these horses are so pretty and she's also very pretty. So when I saw her I was like, maybe I should take her, you know? So here we are. And she's also on my wish list, so yeah. The next one is a pant, and she's also very pretty, but as you can see, it doesn't wobble, and I don't know, the head is very weird, you can see from the side. Wait, let me show you another pant. They kinda match, by the way, but the main thing is here you can see that it's round. It's a bit weird in here. They could date maybe. Look at them, or maybe they could be siblings. Look at her eyes, they're so pretty. And do you see the second circle here? It's very pretty. And yes, she has also been on my wish list. The next one is her again. For those who didn't see, this is my 3rd time getting her. Here is my first time getting her, and here's my 2nd time getting her, and this is my 3rd one, yeah. But actually I sold the 2nd one on Vinted, and you can compare this. I took her because she sold for quite higher prices than normal. You see this? She's kind of darker, this one, a lot. It's not that seeable on camera, but in real life it's a different skin color, or yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this one because I don't know, I feel this one is a little odd. I don't know why, but I don't know, I like this one better. And also she is my mascot, and no, I'm not gonna change this one to my mascot. I'm gonna sell or trade this one. I took her just because this one for 2 years, I think that's a pretty good deal. Actually, I got this one for 7. Yeah. Her head wobbles. Wait, yeah, it's normal. And she has something here. Her ear was going to be pierced, but it's not. Or is it? Is it? And she has some pain in here. The person didn't have the whole set, but when I saw them I was like, I should get them. And yes, you guessed right. Triplets. These are so cute, little butterflies. Wow. She didn't have the hood one, but I love them, They're also sold for a high price, but it's not only about price. I just love them. Look at how cute they are. And that's why I took them for this price, 4 euros for both of them, so I think that's a deal. Maybe I would like to get the 3rd one. I'm sorry. Or maybe I would like to find a grown-up butterfly similar to them. I only have one butterfly, actually, and I don't have a single set of triplets. I have one pet from 2 sets, and then these 2 from the same set. I would like to get a full set, but they're pretty expensive. That's all from the first package, so let's take a look at the second one. And yes, I've taken a peek, as you can see, because I had to check it, because this came a few days ago. and I bought it also from Vinted, but this one was from Bazar Guna. This LPS has been my dreamy since I was a child. It's a main 5, like I said before. She is damaged, yeah, but when I saw her for 10 euros and something, I was like, I have to get her. Because there were a lot of times when I was overthinking whether I should or should not get the pads. And it was already sold and, you know. Okay, she's not really rare. Okay. Reveal. 3, 2, 1. That's a big of a reveal. Okay. She is pretty. Like, yes, she is damaged, but she still is pretty. Her neck doesn't wobble. And you see this thing on the eyes, pierced ear, on the legs, on the back of her head. But she's still very beautiful and I'm so happy to have her. Wow. And probably I'm going to try to put it down, so give me a second. Okay guys, sadly it's not coming off. But there are 2 things that I can still do. One is ignore it and just like film and, you know, take photos with it, or customize it, like not the whole cat, but this scratch, because like it's really like, I don't know, I just hate it, you know, this letter thing. I don't care about this and this, but this is like, ew. Oh, but anyway, I love her so much. I'm so grateful to have her, even for this price, even if she... Anyway, I love her so much anyway, so for this price, even if it's damaged, I love her. I'm so happy with her. I love her. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be very grateful for a like and follow. And if this video will be a success, I can film in English, like really. And if you would like to have like watch some videos of mine but you don't know how to speak Czech, then you can text me and I can put like English subtitles in it. Don't be scared to text me. Here's my Instagram, but you can also say something in the comments. And have a very nice day. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye!